south side. I should have been more clear. Taxi via, I should be able to taxi via Mike Alpha Alpha 1. Hey, Mike Alpha Alpha 1 at Amboy at 1791. Everyone, take Hotel Alpha short of Mike. Hotel Alpha short of Mike. Red Cat 871.
Grand United 2480 Heavy, Foxtrot 11, ready for push.
United 2480 Heavy, push on Alpha's approved.
Push on Alpha is approved. United 2480 Heavy.
Able to continue to Bravo Hotel Alpha, but that will be the route. It'll be Hotel Alpha Alpha 1. Hotel Alpha Alpha 1 calling company exit 838. 1791. Have you to make the right turn to Mike? A visit will be given away to you, and then you can just go Alpha Alpha 1 if you make that turn. Okay, Wilco, and I do apologize. I was doing a checklist at the time when he turned. We saw the other RJ. It was my fault. No worries. So we're 10 miles of trail with everyone right now due to automation, so no big deal. Thank you.
Please right and maintain 180 about San Francisco. What's your
2233, maintain 180 on back and contact out.
180 to Acmol, Quarter Tower. Tower, 2233 is 3.5 from Acmol, ILS 23.
Yep, 2233, shift system down with 28010, right, clear to land.
Clear right, clear to land.
2425, taxi Bravo, first and taxi Alpha to the ramp.
Alpha to the ramp, Southwest 24.
Heavy, you're good to go. Hotel Alpha to the ramp. Go over. 949, continue via Bravo.
Yeah, Bravo, double 919.
Alpha.
Well, 14 minutes down, they're not even to Jack London yet, they're just at 10th Street.
2041, left quick takeoff. Let's take out one left, United 1924. Good, 5706, let's go 281 right, line up and wait. Clear right, line up and wait, American 2700. Negative, American 2700, hold short, right here, right, that first guy was 5707.
Hold short, straight right, American 2700.
Let's go 5707, runway 1 right, line up and wait. 1. 23343, heavy, grounding still up. Do you mind pulling up just a little bit closer to the visit funny so I can get a embryo behind you at the hotel? What was that? American 2428, you're with the future business, and then runway 1 right, taxi Alpha Alpha 1. Behind the future business, 1 right, Alpha Alpha 1. United 901 Heavy, hold short of Tango. Hold short of Tango, United 901 Heavy. Double 28, 233, taxi via Bravo Golf Alpha. Bravo Golf Alpha. Runway 1 right, taxi via Alpha Alpha 1. You'll be behind the 20 there, but you'll see when we speak return. Runway 1 right, taxi via Alpha Alpha 1 behind the 220. You want to check your call ticket? United 901 Heavy, taxi via Tango, actually, hold short. Yeah, hold short. Super, turn left, heading 010. Heading 010, right, 5 miles per hour. United 901 Heavy, taxi via Tango, Bravo, Foxtrot, hold short over 1 left. Tango, Bravo, Foxtrot, hold short to 1 left, United 901 Heavy. Delta 591, push Charlie, please. Delta 591, push to Fox 5, Bravo, your discretion. 5 Bravo, your discretion. Copy. SFO Juliet Heavy, taxi via Bravo, Hotel Alpha to the right. Bravo, Hotel Alpha to the right, and a 12-6, hold your control. Move a little bit closer to the American just ahead. left, turn right at Echo. That's runway 28, that's right, so I think I'm with 517. Conservative number super, you can contact ground staff. Thank you, ground with 517. Thank you. 45 tips, system journey, one right out of the way. Runway 1 right, Dreamliner short final for the barrel. Thank you. Report 670 runway 1 right, taxi out, valve 1. Alpha 1 for 1 right. Alpha 1 right, 9 is 1 for you. Southward, Alpha 50 has information accurate, initial vector, correct, 28 right for departure, 2 seconds. That is 300 heavyweight for the 777 behind you, and then push on to, actually wait for 2 heavy, then push on through. Okay, when that is set, heavy, United, the second United heavy. Okay, second United heavy, and then we're clear to push on the Alpha 7. United Heavy, they're going to cross in front of the joint Foxtrot. Well, they can do a United Heavy on the one and then with 11. 52451, Roger, stand by just a moment. At 857 heavy. Number 1 Alpha, short echo, clearing up, make it 50. SFO Tower, emergency 839, ILS 25. Grenade 39, San Francisco turn into your left, going to land with Uniter 012. Little 28 left, there's 839. Jet 879 heavy, runway 28 left, lot up and wait. Lot up and wait, runway 28 left, go ahead, 879. Caltrain Yankee, your discretion, do caution for west jet.
Our discretion on the push, taxi lane, Yankee, we're using it. We'll have caution, it's got 3459. 2177, 180 or greater, XFO Tower, American 2177. 39, we're 160, heading 3000. Low to 160 and 3,100 on 59.
Bravo team, okay, if you're again Alpha, it's not a problem, just text yeah, Alpha. Okay, that was too late, sorry, Alpha, you want to go there, I was thank you. Landing traffic. Okay, get going, turn to your right. You want the right from there? Negative, we want to exit right after landing. Okay. Delta 680 on Echo, we'll turn into a left on the landing traffic. Turn to a left on Echo, Delta 680. And Ryan, thank you for traffic. Copy, Doug, at the airport, appreciate it, CLE out. 1985 Bravo, taxi away, thank you. One last Alpha Golf Bravo, point right next. 2480, continue Alpha Alpha 1.
Alpha Alpha 1, let's go home.
Delta 91, continue Alpha Alpha 1.
That was...
Alpha 91, continue Alpha Alpha 1. Sorry, Alpha Alpha 1. So turning to a left, turn land with 2807.
Clear land, 28 left, and 1579.
5,000 square range, goes 348. Year greater than 3,000, gas 33.5. And on Lima, cross to a right, and turn left on Charlie. On Charlie, hold short of 1 left. Traffic is 2 out to the right. Lima, cross to a right, left turn Charlie, hold short 1. Hold short, runway 1 right. Hold short 1 right. Jet 871, runway 1 right, clear takeoff. 1 right. Delta 680, cross to a left, ground 18. Cross to a left, ground 18. Jet 1538, San Francisco turn 1 right, line up and wait. 1 right, line up and wait, Jet 838. Rear 170. LS to his left, gas 3365. Okay, at hotel, we'll give way to the 135 up the and horizon 2451, that'll be Hotel Bravo. The Delta will wait for you. Hotel Bravo, waiting for me, 2451. Ground Delta 680, cross 287. Delta 680, back to ground taxi Alpha Brand. Alpha 2 Rand.
United 1591, Delta Park, right in the front.
So that's like 250, continue Alpha, Foxtrot 1, and Bravo, give way to Delta. Foxtrot 1 and Bravo after Delta, Paramount Lake. We just at 130, follow the business jet ahead. Follow the business jet ahead at 130. Copy that, imaging and emerging or bouncing over. Alpha 1. Hi. It's Alpha 1, Japan 1. Japan Air 1, wait for the Delta airline to pass off of your nose, and then Alpha 1. Up there, go down. We are Alpha. That is 1691. I push south 6 Bravo, your discretion, use caution for coming across the alley, push to 6 Bravo.
Copy is clear to push 6 Bravo, United 1691.
Hey, ground, up to 680, just waiting for ramp, push 680, roger. 34 miles to go, heading to the 34 miles to heavy San Francisco ground, runway 28 left is the sign, hold short of Alpha. Runway 38 left, hold short of Alpha, 34 miles to go. Alaska 1379, San Francisco, ground taxi, Alpha, right? Alpha to the ramp, Alaska. We're going to flight 250, just holding instructions, just continue Bravo. Alright, once the Alaska 135 vacates, clear to push on Caltrain, HW412, thank you. Ground, emergency 2177, clear to this. 2177, San Francisco, ground taxi, Alpha. Taxi, Alpha, Level 1A, please Quebec Sierra, climb 4 with X-ray 50. November 108, Quebec Sierra, San Francisco, ground runway 28 right. Taxi electric Charlie, hold short, runway 1 left. Okay, anyway, check the 28 right, okay, Charlie, hold short, 1 left, 1, 8 Quebec.
That's guys, 3469, red taxi, X-ray.
Tower 3459, runway 1, left taxi via Alpha Hotel Bravo.
Alpha Hotel Bravo, 1 left, guys, 3459.
Driving United to Doug, Echo 4 and 6 Alpha, undertone 4, Echo 6,
Tug Echo 4, proceed Alpha, Kilo Bravo, Zulu, hold stop 16.